wouldn't want to glimpse the world's most stunning and exotic birds? Our journey begins with the resplendent quetzal. Found in the cloud forests of Central America, primarily in Costa Rica. They feast on fruits, insects, and small creatures. Fun fact: the quetzal was sacred to ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations. You can admire them in protected reserves like the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Next, meet the bird of paradise, hailing from the rainforests of Papua New Guinea. Their diet includes fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. Did you know that their incredible courtship dances inspired the name Bird of Paradise? You can see these birds in select zoos, but they truly shine in their wild habitat. The hyacinth macaw, with its vibrant blue feathers, comes from South America, especially Brazil. They crack open hard nuts and seeds with their powerful beaks. This bird is the largest flying parrot in the world. They're commonly found in zoos and aviaries around the globe. Flying to the African continent, we find the African grey parrot in the rainforests of West and Central Africa. They feed on seeds, fruits, and nuts. Renowned for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech, these parrots are popular in zoos and as pets. The toucan, with its large, colorful beak, inhabits the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It enjoys a diet of fruits, insects, and small lizards. Fun fact, that big beak is surprisingly lightweight. Toucans are often featured in zoos and are popular in tropical-themed decorations. The golden pheasant from China's mountainous forests is next. This bird primarily eats seeds, leaves, and invertebrates. Their stunning golden feathers make them a symbol of prosperity in Chinese culture. You'll often find them in aviaries and as ornamental birds in gardens. In Australia, the rainbow lorikeet lights up the eucalyptus forests. Their diet is mainly nectar, fruits, and pollen. These birds are known for their brush-tipped tongues, perfect for sipping nectar. Commonly seen in zoos and as pets in aviaries worldwide. The scarlet macaw, another jewel of the Americas, is native to the rainforests of Central and South America. It enjoys nuts, seeds, and fruits. Did you know scarlet macaws can live up to 75 years? They're a star attraction in zoos and conservation parks. Let's talk about both the peacock and peahen, native to the Indian subcontinent. Peacocks are the males, adorned with those dazzling, iridescent tail feathers. Peahens, the females, are more subdued in color but equally important. They both eat grains, insects, and small reptiles. Those mesmerizing tail feathers of the peacock are used to attract mates. Peafowl are commonly found in zoos, gardens, and parks, admired for their beauty. The Victoria crowned pigeon is native to the lowland rainforests of New Guinea. They feed on seeds, fruits, and insects. This pigeon is the largest of its kind and is named after Queen Victoria. It's a rare sight in zoos, but truly impressive when seen. The mandarin duck from East Asia's rivers and lakes is a splash of color. Their diet includes plants, seeds, and small fish. In China, they are symbols of marital bliss and fidelity. You'll often find them in ornamental ponds in gardens and zoos. The keel-billed toucan of Central America stands out with its rainbow-colored bill. They snack on fruits, insects, and small reptiles. Their beak is nearly a third of their body length, but is incredibly light. These toucans are a favorite in zoos and tropical exhibits. Moving to Southeast Asia, we have the rhinoceros hornbill. This bird lives in the dense forests of Borneo, Sumatra, and the Malay Peninsula. They feast on fruits, insects, and small animals. The horn on their beak is called a casque and is used in courtship displays. Often found in wildlife reserves and zoos, they are a fascinating sight. The kingfisher, small but striking, is found across various continents, including Africa and Asia. They dive into water for fish, their primary diet. Kingfishers are expert hunters known for their precision dives. They are a common sight near water bodies, in reserves, and sometimes in zoos. Finally, the Andean cock of the rock resides in the cloud forests of the Andes in South America. It feeds on fruits and small creatures. This bird's vibrant orange color and unique shape make it one of the most distinctive birds in the world. These birds are rarely found in captivity, but are a treasured sight in nature reserves. These stunning birds remind us of the planet's incredible biodiversity, many of which can be seen in zoos, reserves, or even as part of cultural decorations. But nothing compares to seeing them in the wild, where their true beauty unfolds. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.